Good day, wonderful audience. Let's look at these indices. Now, in these indices, we apply both mass because if you can observe, there is both multiplication and division. And in mathematics, where there is both multiplication and division, that means there is every tendency that you apply both mass. And both mass multiplication come before addition. So we are going to deal with the multiplication on the left hand side and the multiplication on the other right hand side and add it together at this stage. So let's get started. Solution. So now at this point, first of all, we are going to apply the law of indices at the first term. The first term, it can also be written as 1 all over 25 raised to the power of 1 over 2 multiplied by 27 all over 1 over 3 plus 1 all over 121 raised to the power of 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 all over 625 raised to the power of 1 over 4. If you apply another law of indices here, when you have a fractional indices, the denominator of the fraction becomes the root, while the denominator became the power. So we have either in the law of indices, this will now be 1 all over root of 25 multiplied by cube root of 27 cube root of 27 plus 1 all over the square of 121 multiplied by 1 all over the fourth root of 625. Now at this junction, we are going to find the root and the cube root and the fourth root of these various terms. At the first term, this becomes 1 all over 5, because the square of 25, the square root of 25, the root of 25 is 5 multiplied by the cube root of 27 is 3. That what number will you multiply 3 times that will give you 27? That is 3 plus the square root of the root of 121 is 11. That's 1 over 11 multiplied by the fourth root of 625. The fourth root of 625 is given to us as 5 over 5. So at this stage now, we are going to deal with the multiplication like I explained earlier. We're going to deal with the multiplication on this side and the other side and add it together, because in both mathematics, in both maths, multiplication comes before addition. So by so doing, we have 3 all over 5 plus 1 all over 5. So now we are going to look for the LCM. If you check now the 5 and 55, the LCM is there is 55. So now 55 divided by 5 will give us 11. 55 divided by 5 will give us 11. 55 here divided by 5 will give us 11. And 11 times 3 will give us 33. Plus 55 divided by 55 will give us 1. And 1 times 1 will give us 1. So the final answer becomes 34 all over 55. This is a wonderful solution to the expression. We can call this expression because it's not an equation where we're looking for a unknown variable or an unknown variable. So thank you very much, and do well to like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the subscription button and notification bell for more updates. Thank you very much.